Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to channel Gadget Pro. Alright, is this the new Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra? Just another overpriced tablet? Or is this the iPad Pro killer we have actually been waiting for? Earlier is kinda insane. If you are a student juggling notes and Netflix or a young pro benching between Zoom calls and Canva, this tablet might actually make sense in 2025. And don't skip this video till the end. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. First up, the Ultra display. You are looking at a 40.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen. Bright but smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It's gorgeous and perfect for split screen multitasking or being watching in bed. Basically, your laptop might start feeling jealous. Snapdragon X Elite chip. This thing is running Qualcomm's latest AI-powered chip. That means zero lag battery performance even with video editing or gaming. Geekstart. It's faster than the iPad Pro M2 in raw multi-core speed. Yeah, I said it. Battery best 12,000 mAh battery than actually lasts all day. We are taking 50 plus hours video and it charges fast too. Forget carrying your charges around compass or your co-working pace. S Pen Magic. The S Pen include Apple Tech Notes and its crazy response. Great for taking class notes, sketching or singing docs on the fly. If you are creative or just like a scribbling, it's a hug win. Versus iPad Pro, iPad still wins on ecosystem. But the app S10 Ultra, way more flexible with X mode and file freedom. Plus you don't need to buy a $130 pen separately. So is the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra worth it in 2025? If you want a laptop replacement with crazy power, a gorgeous screen, and all the Android freedom, you are gonna love this. Now tell me in the comments which one you are picking. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, and if you want more guys reviews, I'm to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more guys videos.